Hey, what's happening? Jeff here from Quantum DSP, and in today's video, we'll go over how to set up your audio interface for guitar playing and recording. What you'll need. To get started, you'll need an audio interface, a computer, a pair of speakers, studio monitors or headphones, a guitar, some cables, and amp sim software. For this video, I'll be using Universal Audio's Volt 1 interface, but the steps I cover will apply to any interface and computer setup. Step 1. Connect your audio interface. First, power up your interface using the supplied power adapter and connect the USB cable to your computer. For the Volt 1, I'll be using the included USB-C to USB-A cable. Step 2. Install drivers and software. Next, download and install the drivers and software from your interface's manufacturer. Some interfaces will automatically do this when you first plug it in. Make sure to check if there's any updates available and be sure to install them as well. Step 3. Connect your speakers or headphones. If you're using studio monitors, connect them to the speaker output jacks on the back of your interface. In my case, I'm using 1/4-inch TRS cables to connect my left and right speakers. If you're using headphones, plug them into the headphone output jack on the front of your interface. Step 4. Plug in your guitar. Once your interface is powered on, connected, and your software is installed, it's time to plug in your guitar. Connect your guitar to the high Z or instrument level input on your interface. This is usually input 1 on your interface. A non-high Z input will usually require you to select the instrument level, such as on the Volt here. If you're using active pickups, you can plug directly into a regular line input. At this point, you can turn up the volume on your interface and strum your guitar. Assuming your guitar's volumes are all turned up, you may hear a direct signal. However, not all interfaces pass the audio through directly, as they are designed to work with your computer. Step 5. Install, configure your amp sim. Now install or open your amp sim. You can download a free trial of any of our amp sims from quantumdsp.com. I'll be using the Invader here for this example. Once your amp sim is open, go to the audio settings and select your audio interface as the input and output device. Windows users need to select the ASIO driver first, and then you can choose your interface. Set the buffer size to the lowest your computer can handle for low latency playback. If you hear any audio glitches, increase the buffer size slightly until the playback is smooth. Step 6. Adjust your input gain. Your amp sim needs a proper signal from your guitar. Start with the gain set to 0 and adjust it as needed. Most setups won't require any changes, but if your signal is too weak, gradually increase the gain. Final step, optimize your system. To get the best experience, set your computer's main audio playback device to your interface. This will allow you to jam along with your favorite music, and all your system sounds will be coming through your speakers. That's it. You're now set and ready to start playing and recording. Before you go, check out the show notes below for more information and visit quantumdsp.com.